Hey everyone, Samuel Thomas Elliott, Business Technology Advisor at Amnet IT and Cybersecurity Services, coming at you with another cybersecurity blast. This time, I want to be telling all of you that I will be presenting a workshop at this year's Pikes Peak Small Business Week. I'll be presenting on May 7th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. at Catalyst Campus. In this workshop, you can expect to learn what is cybersecurity, what cybersecurity matters for your business, any legal obligations you have, how much is enough cybersecurity for your business based on size and industry, and last but not least, I'll be sharing some free tools and resources that you can utilize to keep your business ahead of cyber criminals, out of the news, and therefore keep your business in business. There's a link to register in the description of this video. I hope to see you there, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Once again, that date is May 7th, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. at Catalyst Campus. We'll see you on May 7th.